For 60 years, its name has been synonymous with one thing: the thunder of a Hemi V8. The Dodge Charger was the definition of American muscle, but that era is over. The smoke has cleared, and from that silence, a revolution is born. This is the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona. It's electric, it's controversial, and it's here to prove that the muscle car doesn't have a V8 problem. It has a gasoline problem. Let's be honest, the end of the Hemi hurt. It was the soul of the brand. Dodge knew this. They knew that to replace an icon, they couldn't just build another anonymous electric car. They had to build something with attitude, with swagger. They had to build a proper Charger. So they started with a brand new dedicated platform, the STLA Large, designed for all-wheel drive and massive electric power. They didn't adapt a gas car. They built a new-age muscle car from the ground up. And just look at it. This isn't a jelly bean EV. It's brutal. The design team reached back to the iconic 1968 Charger for inspiration. You can see it in the blunt nose and the clean, powerful body lines. The most genius part is the front R-wing. It's not just a simple styling gimmick, it's a functional aerodynamic pass-through that creates real downforce, a nod to the legendary Charger Daytona wing cars of the past. It's a design that respects its history while looking straight into the future. Inside, it's a modern command center. You get a fully digital and customizable instrument cluster with a large 12.3-inch touchscreen angled towards the driver. The new pistol grip shifter is a great tactile touch, a connection to muscle cars of the past. But the real star here is the new ambient lighting system, called the Attitude Adjustment. It wraps 270 degrees around the cabin and can be customized with 64 different colors, reacting to driver inputs and drive modes. It's just like a theater, or let's call it a pure Dodge. Okay, let's talk power, because it's still a Charger, right? The standard models run on a 400-volt architecture. The Charger Daytona RT will launch with 496 horsepower, and the Scat Pack will have a massive 670 horsepower. With all-wheel drive standard, that Scat Pack will hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds and run a quarter mile in 11.5 seconds. That is faster than the outgoing Hellcat. But that's not even the top dog. Coming soon is the SRT Banshee. This model will use a groundbreaking 800-volt architecture for even more power, faster charging, and better track performance. We're talking well over 800 horsepower. This is the new king of the street. It even has features like a power shot button for a 15-second boost of extra horsepower and dedicated drift and donut modes. But can an EV have the soul of a muscle car without the sound? This is Dodge's answer, the Fratsonic chambered exhaust. This is not just a speaker playing a fake V8 noise. It's a patented system that uses an amplifier and a chamber to create a unique sound profile that can reach 126 decibels, the same as a Hellcat V8 at full roar. It's different. It's a mix of a deep EV hum and a high-pitched synthetic scream. Some people will hate it, some will love it, but you just cannot ignore it. Dodge knew that silence was not an option. They chose to create a new sound for a new generation of muscle. The first models to arrive will be the two-door Charger Daytona RT and Scat Pack in mid-2026. The four-door versions will follow, along with the top-tier SRT Banshee. Dodge is even planning to release its internal combustion versions with the new Hurricane inline 6 engine, called the Charger 6-Pack. Pricing for the EV models is expected to start in the mid-$50,000 range for the RT and climb into the high 60s for the Scat Pack, with the Banshee likely reaching close to six figures. The new Dodge Charger Daytona is a seismic shift. It's Dodge taking a massive gamble, betting that the attitude, the power, and the theater of a muscle car are more important than the number of cylinders under the hood. They've built a car that is undeniably, unapologetically a Charger. But now it's your turn. Can an electric car, no matter how fast, truly be a muscle car? Is the Fratsonic exhaust genius or blasphemy? This is the biggest debate in the car world right now, and I want to know where you stand. Leave your unfiltered opinion in the comments below. And if you want to see what the other side of the performance world is up to, click the video on your screen about the all-conquering Toyota 4Runner. Thank you for watching The Revolution.